Alright guys, Saturday, October 13th. I'm out in my backyard and I wanted to show you this fake star that comes in here every year. Last couple years that I've been doing this, I've been seeing this guy. And it's definitely not a star. It's like it's a ship in orbit, but it's low orbit. And he never really moves away from this spot right here. Now, what I do to him, I can get him to move. And he gives up his. Sorry guys, my dog is being a pain in the ass. Anyway, I can get him to move. That's my point. So I'll shine my light. Watch this stuff. If you see him getting brighter, it's my light reflecting off him. Because it does reflect my light. Doug, out of the way. So now I'm going to flash him. See if he flashes back. Definitely flashing back. Let me see something. You see him move there? I hope the camera picks us up because I can see his ass moving everywhere. See him? Throwing shit, throwing plasma. He didn't have me fooled, but I brought my kids out here last summer, my wife, and she made a big joke out of it. And said that, oh yeah, stars are turning into UFOs every day. And I'm like, it's not a star, it's a UFO. Check him out. He's totally bright now. See him moving and flashing. Back out just a little bit. People, you can see these things everywhere. All you gotta do is go out. This guy is in the northeast sky. He's in my northeast sky, so I'm in northwest Chicago. So, you know, that's how bright my light is. LED. I swear it reflects off that thing. Look at him going down. He's blinking at me like I just did him. He's going down. Lower altitude, sorry. I can't talk tonight. I got up at 4 a.m. this morning to work and haven't slept. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below, you know. Is it a fake star? What they call the fake stars? What do you think it is? And everybody, go visit UFOs and Aliens channel. See, he's throwing shit. And go check out him and Alien Bros. Richard over at Alien Bros. He's featured some of my videos before, so I think I'll have to give him a good shout out. And any of you who haven't seen any of my older videos, you should go see the ones that started everything. The one that shined in my window woke me up at 3 a.m.